Annual global trade in leather and products is about $200 billion. Being a material from nature, leather is unmatched with its performance as various products. This is one sector that connects the rural farmer to the fashion world. Leather and leather product sector plays a major role in providing employment, therefore leading to an inclusive growth of economies. Leather manufacture is water and chemical intensive. More than 40 liters of water was used for processing 1 kilogram of raw hide or skin for making leather, and this results in the generation of huge volume of wastewater. It is not just only wastewater alone. Huge amount of solid wastes too are generated as a part of processing.
We are addressing the two issues. One, we are treating the effluent to the satisfaction of the authorities, and then we are recovering the water and sending back this recovered water to the industry for reuse in the process of tanning.
State enforced the tanning industry to implement RO for recovery of water from treated wastewater. Full-scale plants of these latest technologies have been implemented in Vaniambadi, Ambur, Ranipet, Pallavaram tannery clusters under the technical guidance of CSIR-CLRI. Now, advanced oxidation processes, membrane bioreactors, reverse osmosis and mechanical evaporation systems are being used as a part of end-of-pipe treatment processes. CSIR-CLRI's patented technology of a sustainable landfill has been implemented for safe disposal of chemical sludge generated from individual pre-treatment units and CETP or ETP sludge for CETPs in Tamil Nadu.
CSIR-CLRI has come out with series of technologies where waste to valorization could be practiced. When we say a waste for one set of industry becomes a resource for another industry. Example is the solid waste that has been generated from the common effluent treatment plant, a mixed salt of sodium chloride and sodium sulfate. CSIR with CSMCRI and CLRI have come out with a process for cleaning or purifying the mixed salt so that we get industrial grade sodium chloride and sodium sulfate which can find remunerative reuse.
Technologically, tanners at this part of the world are among the best to have environmental safeguard measures. More than $10 is being spent for the treatment of 1 meter cube of wastewater. Yet, the problems are unresolved. The increase in environmental cost had resulted in increased cost of production. This may eventually lead to a competitive exclusion. The tanning sector today needs a sustainable solution, a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. We need to approach towards a comprehensive sustainability, which is built upon 3 pillars, namely society, environment and economy, to have a balance on people, planet and profit. We need to move away from the approach of end-of-pipe treatment as the only strategy. Always, prevention is better than cure. There are technological options available for addressing the problem within the process, and solid waste needs to be viewed as opportunity rather than waste.
The Central Leather Research Institute, while working towards affordable technologies for leather manufacture, we are also looking at making the entire leather manufacturing process cleaner and greener.
We need to build a tannery that accounts each and every atom in leather manufacture with a technology built on green principles. CSIR-CLRI proposes to bring a tannery of the future certification system